how to see Facebook's sent friend request list and how you can cancel those sent friend requests. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can see the list of your sent friend requests on Facebook. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now first things first, make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Facebook and go ahead and simply either download or update this Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, I'm going to basically go ahead and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. What you have to do is on the very top left hand side, you can see your profile icon. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon and come to your profile page. Over here, you want to scroll down to your own friends section and you'll find this button which says find friends. All you have to do is tap on the find friends button, and if you look at the top, you'll be able to see a list of all of the friend requests which you have received. You could tap on the see all button and you'll be able to see a list of all of the friend requests which you have received. But in order to find out your sent friend request list, not the received, what you have to do is on the very top right hand side, you can see this three dot icon. All you have to do is simply tap on that three dot icon. As soon as you tap on it, at the bottom of the screen you'll find this option which says view sent request. All you have to do is tap on view sent request button, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a list of people to whom you have sent a friend request to. So as you can see, 2 sent requests right over here, and these are some of the people whom we have sent a friend request to. Let's say you want to cancel one of these friend requests. For example, what you could do is simply tap on this cancel button which you see next to their profile name or below their profile name. You could go ahead and tap on the cancel button and then tap on the cancel button again right over here, and then you could basically come back. And this was the way on how you can find the sent friend request list on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.